Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to do the one-handed ferro rod fire. I've seen a few videos like that. Just for fun, do something to mix up a little bit, doing gear reviews and all the rest of it all the time. I'm going to show techniques that I know, or something you might have seen on YouTube, whatever. Just show how I would do them, my take on them. I'm going to tag Prepper Dell in this one. Dell, just do it whatever, whichever way you want. I know we're both stuck for time, and the weather's really horrible. This is the third storm now, so we just finished that one. So I'm going to get some tinder out, and then I'm mainly focusing on the knife and the ferro rod, the technique of that, not going out gather everything on one hand and stuff like that, because I don't have time for that. So I just want to show you the techniques real quick, and then we'll chat about it at the end. Right, so my ferro rod's an Überleben one. It's the hexagon one, and I have some tape on the end of it, a little lanyard with my striker, and my knife is a Tops Bob, the Fieldcraft knife with a modified spine and stuff. So the first one I'm going to use is you just put a block there, and then I just got some one-handed fire. That's right. So just got some cotton balls here. And just going to fluff it up a little bit with one hand. Alright, so I'm just going to put that there. It'll put in my pocket. I'm righty, so I'm going to put the knife blade that way. And then kind of just step on the handle. And then everything is really wet at the moment. Some good sparks coming out of this stuff. Just missing. There we go. Okay. So, alright, so that's one way of doing it. Just shove that in my little fireplace. Right, let's go on to the next one now. Right, so the next technique would be the rod down and just using your striker. So one hand again, that there. Just gonna put my knee on the tape bit and hold it there. There we go. So that's two ways of doing it. Again, with having one hand. Get my knife and get rid of that. Missed. Oh well. Right, something a bit more horror tinder now. We'll try. Right, so the last one I would do is make a little divot here. Just something that you can stick your rod into, so it doesn't just slide. Get them all using one hand. See about there to there and there. There we go. So there you go, there's 3 techniques on how to start a fire with one hand. Now, if you're gonna think more into this, then you can carry tinder, like maybe some cedar, chalk cloth, stuff that's easy to process with one hand that you can do. I mean, Vaseline cotton balls is quite common, and that's quite easy to do. That was just normal cotton, no Vaseline on it, and then some birch bark. You can do Procam Tech fire plugs. That'll be ideal as well, because those are easy to unravel. But again, there's more techniques than this. There's ones where you put your knife behind your knee, and depending upon your sheath, you can just pull the rod that way. Again, that's a bit more high risk because you're gonna have a knife potentially outside the sheath. But these are the easiest ways. I mean, just putting your knife on the block and pulling your rod through is easy, or having it stepping on the ferro rod. You know, any of those ways would be ideal. But let me see your take on this. If you make your own video, please mention me or Dell. Send people our way, and we'll send people back. We also do a Facebook group about all this as well. Links description box below. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and what's your favorite way of doing it. If you do make a video of you doing it, also mention that in the comments, and we'll just move some traffic around, because you know how YouTube is. My videos don't get promoted at all. I mean, if I usually aim for like 100 views in a day or something like that. I don't aim for like, you know, viral and stuff like that. Just easy stuff for you guys to use and show. And you know, you might see something I do today, and then you can go out tomorrow and use it. You know, I'll be happy with that. But if you can help the channel, that'd be great. If you like, share, subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.